Hello everyone, this is Lucy with another video on a quick fix to why can't you import MP4 in Davinci Resolve. So problems like this can be common and I am here to help you in fixing this problem. Without any delay, let's get started. So as you can see, I am trying to import a video from my desktop to my Davinci and it's not working. So in order to make this work, you'll need to go to VLC Media Player. Here, click on the Media tab at the top left corner of the screen and click on Convert/Save from this menu. It will open a dialog box. You just need to click on the Add button here in the dialog box and locate the video that you want to import in Davinci. So after that, click on Convert from this menu and you'll be taken to another dialog box. Here you just need to select video H point 264 plus MP3 in the portfolio section. And after that, you need to select the destination and the location for your file to be saved. And finally, click on Save and Start. After that, it will start saving your file. So as you can see, here is the new file that I created just now. Go ahead and drag it to your Davinci Resolve. And there you go. You have just fixed your problem of video not being imported in your Davinci. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe this channel and I'll meet you guys in the next video.